Hello YouTube world, welcome back to the channel. Today we're having a look at this. It's a pillar drill. For those of you who watch my channel and you're expecting fire, outdoor cooking, alcohol, stoves, feel free to switch off now because there's none of those involved in this. I've got a few future projects coming up which I want to do, but in order to do that there was a piece of kit that I wanted to buy to help me out. So I was looking around and I was looking at a wonderful place called Screwfix that we have in the UK, and I needed a pillar drill for what I want to do, and the criteria for it would be firstly that it's not too big because I don't have the space, and secondly that it was affordable. I've been through my faithful Screwfix book. For those of you in America who don't know about Screwfix, it's where all the builders go and the serious DIYers. It's a great place, and they got masses and masses and masses of kit, power tools, etc. I was really interested in this. As you can see, £44.99p. This was at the 12th of October 2019. That's a crazy price. And I was thinking to myself, you're not going to get a lot for your money, not for £44.99p. Roughly translated, for you nice Americans out there, I translated that into dollars, and it comes out at $56.89. That's insane. How do they do it for that price? Is it a piece of crap? Is it any good? I have no idea, but we're gonna find out. If you want to see me unboxing this and putting it all together and give you my first thoughts on it, stay tuned. Well, before we get out the box, right, here we go then. So opening them up, it's always nice opening up parcels and boxes of new things. Put that to one side. So our instructions, I'll kind of ignore them for a minute. I'm a bloke, I tend to ignore everything like that until I get lost. Then I wonder where I put the instructions. Right. So what have we got? We've got the base plate. Bring it out of the way. Oh, moving that way a bit. Difficult to fit everything in the everything in there. Got a drilling table. There. Guard. Stop you going blind. Bits of metal flying off. Put him down there. What else we got? Levers. Box in there. Wouldn't take much of a guess to get that one. That's got to be the chuck. Oh, I was right. There we are. gone in down there, and the chuck key for a 13mm chuck. That's quite a weedy key. What do you expect for £44.99p? Oh, I still think that's insane. I don't know how to make a profit on it. Right, get rid of that there. Then we're on to the main business, which I'm not doing very well to get in the camera. Just a second. There we are. So we've got our main unit there and a post. And that's everything that's in your box. Polystyrene, get rid of that. So let's have a look. There's your motor. On-off switch. Plug, obviously. Alright, let's start putting him together. Couple of things before I get carried away with this. The first thing is, this is very greasy with oil. It's horrible. So give him a wipe off. As you can see, obviously grease it up a bit for transit purposes. Got a long way to come from China. Right, and the other thing I've got is some industrial grade super glue. I was looking for some kind of like metal weld to put on the bolts so they don't come undone, they don't slip around. I couldn't find any, so I got this stuff. And basically, from what it says on it, caution, irritation causes serious eye, may cause respiratory blah 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 blah. Bond skin and eyes in seconds, keep out of reach of children, avoid breathing fumes, wear protective clothing, gloves, face protection, rinse blah blah blah. If in eyes, rinse blah 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 blah. Basically, it's got to be good because it looks deadly. Right, first thing we do, line up the 3 holes. Let's do that so you can see it. There he is. Bolts come with these little washer things here. Right, we've aligned the holes. What we need for this is a 14mm socket. I've put a longer one there in order that I can avoid this here because it's a tight fit. Stick them together. Better not get this on my hands. It's all bolted in now. Time to put the top on. There we go. It's not exactly precision engineering. Not much more to do now. There's a couple of grub screws here that need tightening up. Zoom you in. Start by hand. Now for these arms. Tiniest bit of glue. Next we're going to put the guard on. As you can see from here, you got the world's silliest guard screws. Oh, that's ridiculous. Let's have a look. So, good job I got a tiny screwdriver. Nearly lost it. Oh, silly little screws. Yeah. It's actually 3. Let's move you around a bit. Oh, there's a 3rd one just there. That's ridiculous. I've got a card sorted out, finally. Bit of fiddling around. Now, for the chuck, it's a friction chuck. So we just push it on a piece of wood. And on. That was easy enough, that bit. Alright, time to open this up. See what it's all about. Doesn't pull off. Push that in. There we go. It goes in. Right, we've got 5 speeds there. Looking at that, the best speed for me would be number 2, 850 RPM, which is the second one up from the bottom. See if we can adjust this. How difficult is it? Remember, this is a man with who didn't bother to look at the instructions. Oh. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's one done. Yeah. Let's put that screw back in. I'll probably leave it on that setting. It'll probably give me a bit more torque. Try that. Spin okay. We go with that. Lid back on. That's the simplest way to do that. That's a right old fit on that one. There we go. Right, all it remains to do is to switch it on. Time to hit that magic button. Works. Right, let's try our 8mm wood bit and see what happens. problem whatsoever. Overall first impressions, it's a $44.99 drill press, or as you say in America, $56.89. You're not going to do any heavy engineering with it, but for what I want to do, little projects, I'm sure it's going to perform well, and if it doesn't, I'll be letting you know. What don't I like about it? Opening this door, it's a faff. It's not exactly, oh, take that off of that. You hear it, it's just got a spring inside to move it up and down. But what do you expect for your money? Overall, I'm quite happy with that, and I look forward to using it. If you've got any comments, any questions, or anything at all, please feel free to put your comments in the comments section, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Those of you who usually watch my channel, don't worry, we're going to be making fire. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.